In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to form curved or circular concrete shapes for your DIY projects so your work looks pro without breaking the bank. When you're working with concrete and want to get those smooth, clean curves, the key is all in your formwork and prep. First off, use flexible materials like thin plywood strips or bendable plastic forms that you can shape easily around a curve. You want to soak your wood strips in water before bending them to prevent cracking or snapping. Clamp or nail those strips firmly to stakes driven into the ground so they hold their shape while the concrete sets. Another tip is to use rebar or wire mesh inside the curve for extra strength and to keep the shape from cracking over time. Pour your concrete slowly and evenly, tapping the forms gently to release air bubbles and get a smooth finish. If you want sharper curves, using a foam or rubber edging tool after pouring helps define the lines better once the concrete starts to firm up. Don't rush the curing process either. Keep it moist for a few days to avoid cracks and ensure durability. Trust me, taking your time with the form prep makes the whole job way easier and way better looking. One of the biggest issues I see with forming curved concrete shapes is not securing the forms tightly enough, which leads to bulging or collapsing when you pour. To fix that, double-check your stakes and clamps before you start mixing concrete. Another common mistake is using rigid materials that just won't bend properly, causing splits or uneven curves. Stick with flexible, water-soaked wood or plastic instead. Also, people sometimes pour concrete too fast or don't tap their forms carefully, so you end up with air pockets or rough surfaces. Slow and steady pouring with some gentle tapping usually does the trick. BigHomeProjects.com is seriously clutch for anyone looking to connect with reliable local contractors who know their stuff on jobs like these. If you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid way to find clients who need your skills on big home improvements without all the hassle of searching around.